Life Matters, a Penn Mutual podcast for financial professionals, bringing you life insurance insights from advanced sales experts and life insurance specialists. Grow a stronger practice today.
I'm a Penn Mutualist now. I think coming up here in what would be 2 months in 30 years, I'm not going anywhere. This is home for me.
Well, it's a great organization. I've only been here for a little over 3 months, but I could definitely see why people spend their entire careers here. It's a fantastic place to be.
We just have so many great people, whether or not they've been here for 50 years or whether or not they've just joined us. You know, the culture is really strong.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.